Greetings, this is Mikey Mouse here. Hope you guys don't mind the narrator voice that I am using, cause I am not a fan of hearing my own voice. I have just recently reformatted my desktop, and thought it would be cool to do a video on how to get started on creating unturned mods, while I am reinstalling the stuff back. For this episode in the series, I am going to share on the stuff you need to set up before getting started on creating mods. The first program you need to get is Unity. Before rushing to the download button, I would suggest heading to the link that includes the older versions of Unity. Personally, I use 5.2.4. Any other version of 5.2 or 5.1 should be fine. Both Windows and Mac version are available from the website. As of this video, I do not use the latest version of Unity, as there may be incompatibility issues with Unturned. Install Unity after downloading the installer. It will take a while. If you have already installed Unity and it is newer than 5.2, just take note in any event if the exported asset does not work with Unturned. If that is the case, just head to the website to download the installer with the correct version to reinstall. While Unity is installing, head on to Find Asset Bundle Creator. The download URL should link you to a GitHub page. Press Download Zip to acquire the files. The files we need from the downloaded zip is the data folder and the scripts folder. After Unity is installed, create a new project. If you run Unity for the first time, you will need to sign in with a Unity account. Create one if you have not, it's simple. Unless you have a Unity professional license, just go for the personal edition. This project file will be used in the future to create unturned assets. Any name for the project folder is fine. There is no need to import any standard assets for this project. Unzip the Asset Bundle Creator zip folder, and copy Data folder and the Scripts folder into the Project tab below. Error messages will appear at the bottom of the console after copying the files. Double-click the error and MonoDevelop should appear. If another script editor launches, you can change it from Edit, Preferences, External Tools, and then change External Script Editor to MonoDevelop, built-in. Now that MonoDevelop is open, find the error from line 159 and 187. Rewrite both lines from this assetBundle.load to this assetBundle.load asset. Save the script with Ctrl+S, Command+S for Mac, and close MonoDevelop. A window should appear that asks about an API update. Click the button. I made a backup, go ahead. Stuff will happen in the console, leave Unity for it to make changes to the script. The next thing to do, is adding the tags and layers to the project file. Go to Edit, Project Settings, Tags and Layers. Break open the arrow to reveal the list. To add tags, press the plus icon, and reduce the list with the minus icon. For the unturned assets you would need 24 tags, so press plus until you hit tag 23. For the layers tag you would need to fill up to user layer 31. The list for what to write into the tags and layers are as follows. Also, feel free to delete the logo bundle folder, it is a sample asset that came with the plugin. The last part to setting up Unity is the settings for the Asset Bundle Creator. Go to Assets, Bundle Creator, Asset Bundle Creator. A new window should open. For the export settings, Asset Bundle folder is data/asset bundles. For export folder it should be ellipsis/asset bundles. Build asset bundle options, collect dependencies and uncompressed asset bundle should be checked and the rest left unchecked. And there you have it, the project file is all set for creating unturned assets. For good practice I have 2 extra folders to place scenes and my model files, just to make the project files neater. Also a pro tip before I end this video. From your game directory, there are actually samples on how to create assets for the game ranging from guns to vehicles. The location of the folder is Bundles. Sources. Examples. To import the Unity package, just double-click with the correct project file running in Unity and a importing package window will open. Make sure all is selected when importing. I hope you found this video helpful in getting started to set up on how to create unturned mods. The next video that I will talk about will be how to set up a custom vehicle, as there are not many tutorials on how to create vehicles in Unturned. It would be great to give it a like if this video helped.